Students, this is 132nd maths class. Today let's go for discussing about the planes. You all learnt about the planes very well in your lower classes. Plane means, look at this board. Board is plane. A smooth horizontal surface is called plane. In this class, in your syllabus, you are going to derive three standard equations of the plane. You will have to learn three standard equations of the plane. So from that, first two derivations, they are going to ask first two derivations for your annual exam. The third one will not be asked. Third derivation won't be asked. So far that third derivation has not been set for your annual exam. It is enough if you practice the first two derivation. Now let's go for deriving first derivation, students. I am going to derive first derivation of the equation of the plane both in vector and Cartesian forms. Now I write the question. Question is derive the equation of plane. Derive the equation of plane in normal form. So derive the equation of the plane. Derive the equation of plane whose distance from origin is d, whose distance from origin is d, and unit normal is n cap, and unit normal is n cap, both in vector and Cartesian forms. Both in vector and Cartesian forms. Look at that question, students. So derive the equation of plane in normal form. Overall, they can ask the same question in this form also. Derive the equation of plane whose distance from origin is d. Whose distance means distance of the plane from the origin is d. That means distance between origin and plane is d, and unit normal is n cap. Unit normal to the plane. Normal means perpendicular. The meaning of normal is perpendicular. Look at this pen, students. Pen is perpendicular to plane, this plane. So pen is normal to the plane. Normal means perpendicular. Unit normal means unit vector along the normal. Unit vector means vector by its magnitude. Unit vector. This pen is normal to the plane. This pen is normal to the plane. Unit vector along the normal is called unit normal. Unit vector along the normal is called unit normal. So unit vector, you know how to find unit vector. Vector by its magnitude, n cap. N cap means vector n by length of vector n. That is unit normal. Unit normal is given. So by keeping that question in mind, you read that question and draw the figure according to that. Read the question and draw the figure according to the information given in the question. Right? Let's go for drawing that. You draw the figure. So write x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is z-axis. Origin. Now I am going to draw plane. So here this is the plane. Students, I have drawn plane in triangle shape like this. Look at that. This is 3D. 3D figures cannot be drawn on two-dimensional board. It is just whatever we write, that understanding is important. Look at this, students. In this way we have drawn that. Look at this figure. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Plane has been kept like this. Plane has been kept like this. Can you see that? Plane has been kept like this. Triangular shape plane. Plane need not to be always in triangular shape. You can draw the plane in any shape. Need not to worry. Here in your book they have drawn triangular plane. I also drawn a triangular plane on the board. So right, triangular plane, a plane in the triangular shape leaning against, a plane in the triangular shape leaning against x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ರೈಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. Look at this. Can you see that? This is the figure. This is the figure. This is the figure. Look at the students. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Look at the students. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Plane is kept like this. Plane is kept like this. Now let's go according to the question. Let us go for according to the question. Distance from the origin is D. You draw the distance between origin and plane. The distance between origin and plane, you take that as D. Now I am going to draw that ON. So ON. So right, I have drawn ON. ON is the distance from origin to the plane. Look at this one, just like this. ON. You take this as origin. This edge as origin. And O. This is O, this is O, this is N. The point which is in contact with plane is N. The point which is in contact with plane is N. This edge is O. This edge is O. This is O. This point is in contact with plane. This point N is in contact with plane. So right, this is N. This is O. This is O. This point is O. This point is O, this point is N, this point is N, ON. ON has perpendicular. I have drawn perpendicular from the origin to the plane. I have drawn perpendicular from the origin to the plane. It is ON. So to find equation of plane, to find equation of any plane, that general point Pxyz is always required. I am going to draw that. Pxyz. So Pxyz. So Pxyz is any point on the plane. You draw this, students. Just you join like this. So right. This is about figure. This is about to figure. Your figure. For drawing figure, you will get 1 mark. If you fail to draw the figure, you lose all the marks. They won't give marks. Now, OP, ON, NP. Now, you write the description. Description will not carry any mark, but you write 1-line description. Let Pxyz is any point on the plane. Let Pxyz is any point on the plane. Look at this, students. ON is always perpendicular to NP. ON is perpendicular to NP. Correct? Because ON is perpendicular line. ON is a perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. ON must be perpendicular to NP. Pxyz is any point on the plane. ON from the figure it is so clear. ON is perpendicular to NP. One thing you remember, students, in lines, while deriving line equations in space, we always take parallel or collinear. While drawing lines, while deriving lines equations, we always consider parallel or collinear. While deriving planes equation, you must take perpendicular. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ON is perpendicular to NP. ON is perpendicular to NP. ON is perpendicular to NP. So according to vector algebra, vector theory, two vectors are said to be perpendicular only when the dot product is 0. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. So ON NP perpendicular ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the dot product of these two must be 0. That implies ON dot NP is equal to 0. ON dot NP is equal to 0. You take NP students. NP ON NP means vector NP is OP minus ON. OP minus ON. Vector NP is OP minus ON. Okay, wait. I write here itself, students. That implies ON dot NP means OP minus ON is equal to 0. Now OP, let OP, we always take OP. OP means point P x y z. We always represent vector OP by vector R. This is the standard notation. We always use vector R to represent point P. Point P, general point ಅನ್ನು represent ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ vector R ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, vector R. So that is OP, vector R, P x y z. Next ON. Vector means magnitude into unit vector. Vector means magnitude into unit vector. We have a general definition. What is vector? Magnitude into unit vector. Magnitude, length of ON. Tell me length of ON, students. D. Length of ON, it is D. Length of ON, it is D. Length of ON, it is D. D, it is given in our question. Distance of the plane from the origin. Distance of the plane from the origin D. It is given in the question. Magnitude is D. Unit vector is n cap. N cap is also given in our question. Unit normal. What is unit normal? N cap. D. Distance D is given in our question. Distance of the plane. Distance of the plane from the origin. Plane distance origin in the D and the ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Unit normal ಎಷ್ಟು? n cap. What is the vector? Magnitude into unit vector. D into n cap. Now you substitute both in this students. This implies what is ON? D n cap. Dot OP means R minus ON means D n cap is equal to 0. Multiply by D n cap, or do one thing. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Equal to 0. N cap dot R minus D n cap is equal to 0. Multiply by n cap. So multiply by n cap. So that is n cap dot R dot n cap minus n cap dot R over R dot n cap. A dot B is same as B dot A. N cap dot R over R dot n cap minus D into n cap dot n cap is equal to 0. So n cap dot n cap. How much is n cap dot n cap? 1. It is just like I dot I. N cap dot n cap. A dot A. N cap dot n cap is equal to length of n cap whole square. What is vector A into vector A? Vector A square. I told you in the vector chapter, whenever square is seen in vectors, use mod. N cap dot square. Length of n cap. N cap is unit vector. What is the length of any unit vector? 1. Unit vector means unit magnitude. Unit vector means unit magnitude. 1 square 1. 1 square 1. Or you remember like this. N cap dot n cap is 1. Unit vector dot unit vector. You know I dot I is equal to 1. Sorry, it's not 0. I dot I is equal to 1. Just like in that way, since I dot I is 1, in that way n cap dot n cap should be 1. Substitute there. Substitute. That implies R dot n cap. So minus b into 1. Set that d right side. R dot n cap is equal to d. Is equal to d. Remember this one. This is the plane, equation of plane in vector form. Is the equation of plane. Is the equation of plane in vector form. In vector form. Let us change same vector equation into Cartesian form. Let's go for changing same vector equation into Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian, you know that. Right, let. You take vector R is equal to xi. This is standard representation. Xi. Vector R means vector OP. Vector R means vector OP. P means point. Tell me what is the point P? X, Y, Z. Xi plus Yj plus Zk. N cap it is unit vector. For vector, if it is vector, you use ABC. If it is vector, you use ABC as its DRs. If it is unit vector, you use LMN, DCs. So for a unit vector, DCs should be used. Unit vector ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ LMN ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ABC ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ LMN ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You take Li plus Mj plus Nk. Substituting that R dot n cap. R dot n cap. R dot n cap. I paka plus j paka plus k paka. Tell me answer friends. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to what? D is equal to d. This is Cartesian equation of plane. Cartesian equation of plane. Equation of plane. This is Cartesian equation of plane. I hope you understood it. If you get doubt, you call me. Let's go for writing note. So remember the following. Remember the following. So remember the following. You remember these standard representation friends. This makes you feel that as easy, right? First one, parallel vector. We take parallel vector as B. We always take parallel vector as AI plus Bj plus Ck. Parallel vector. Second one, normal vector. Vector n. Again AI plus Bj plus Ck. Unit normal. N cap, unit normal, N cap is equal to Li plus Mj. Or what is unit vector friends? Vector by its magnitude. So write Ai plus Bj plus Ck by length. Length means root of a square plus b square plus c square. it. You are going to split it. A by root of a square plus b square plus c square into I plus b by root of same thing into j plus c by root of same thing into k. What is a by root of b by root of c by root of, students? Lmn. What is L? A by root of, you learned that very well. L means a by root of a square plus b square plus c square. M means b by root of, n means c by, that means Li plus mj plus nk. This is the reason why we take Lmn for unit vector. This is the reason why we take Lmn for the unit vector. Lmn or Lmn are scalar components of unit vector. Always scalar components of unit vector. These are the general points, students. I am going to write one more general point. Equation of plane. Equation of plane in general form is r dot vector n is equal to d. Observe, students, you observe this point, so otherwise you will get confusions while solving problems. R dot vector n is equal to d. Here I am not using n cap. If I write r dot n cap is equal to d, it is a standard equation of plane. Plane के standard equation ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you go for writing r dot n cap is equal to d. We derived, just now we derived. If I write r dot vector n is equal to d, it is a general equation of plane. ಯಾವುದೇ plane ಗೆ general equation ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ r dot vector n is equal to d. Standard form ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ r dot n cap is equal to d. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. I change this into Cartesian form. R means xi plus yj plus zk dot vector n means, what is vector n? ai plus bj plus ck is equal to d. Dot product, find dot product, that implies ax plus by plus cz equals d. You know this equation very well, students. What is ax plus by plus cz equals d represents a plane. Plane equation ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. What is ax plus by plus cz equals d represent? It represents plane. General equation of plane. ಯಾವುದೇ plane ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. I hope you understand. Let us stop this class. We shall continue next derivation in the next class. Thank you.